Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Krival Nails, and we're jumping right into this mani today with Sea Turtle. Sea Turtle is a beautiful, solid peacock teal color. It has a slight green undertone to it. It is stunning. It is everything, and you're really going to see this color come to life to its full potential with two dips. Now, I like to start with my solid colors first when I'm using glitters. The other colors we're using today are going to be glitters. FLIPPIN FIN-TASTIC that we're going to be using next. It's a micro holographic glitter. It is stunning. It is everything. So I just want to make sure we are keeping Sea Turtle as pure as possible and not contaminating it with any of those sparkly goodnesses. So that's why I'm starting out with Sea Turtle first. Sea Turtle is like the perfect color here. You can see now that color is so rich and vibrant. This color right here is perfect for fall. It would be great paired with some rich brown colors, even some oranges or dark purples. Options are endless when it comes to Sea Turtle, but I love this color so much. It is the perfect peacock teal, isn't it? So I cured that for 30 seconds today. We are doing the gel method. So here is that beautiful micro holographic glitter. This color right here, it is everything. It is so fine and fluffy and still has like that buttery feel because these are just micro glitters. And wait till you see the second dip. That glitter is just... it's breathtaking. All right, so let's dive into this mani process and then I'll pop back in just a little bit.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah.
All right, so now it's time to file and buff. So we're going to start out by filing this chunky glitter nail. And these chunky glitters, believe it or not, are laying super, super flat to the nail, where all I'm doing is cleaning up the sidewalls and the free edge and then just quickly just touching up the shape of that nail. This nail is in the shape short coffin. I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera. Now, I did not have to file and buff on top of that glitter nail. If you do, you want to put some protection on that, and you want to do a layer of gel base, cure that for 30 seconds, and then a layer of gel top coat, cure that for 30 seconds, and then you can go in with your buffing block. That's going to prevent you from cutting into any of those beautiful glitters. So right now I just sealed in this mani with a layer of base coat, cured it, and now we're going in with a top coat, cured it for 60 seconds. I finished the rest of the top coat off camera. And how gorgeous is this mani? I love this combination here. We have a lot of different elements. We have that solid, we have that microholographic glitter, we have a chunky glitter, and these colors are everything. This color right here is definitely getting me into that autumn transition into fall. I mean, this color is great all year long, but it's definitely giving me autumn kind of feelings, and I'm totally loving it. But I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in that description box below. These glitters were super easy to work with. You could see with that chunky glitter, I didn't even need to buff the top of that. It was laying super flat. So that is one thing that I do love about Krival nails, is the glitters are very easy to work with. So again, I'll link everything that we use in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next upload.